Okay, good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining with me tonight. Today is Thursday, no? January 15. Hold on na, medyo hanap man kayo ni ako ang camera. Yan, that's it. Okay, thank you for joining. I would like to greet the people that are here, no? Si Danica, thank you for joining, Danica. Sheila Iscasinas is also joining with us here. Mary Lou, no, Mary Lou Bando is also with us. Samsung SM, no, is also joining with us here tonight. So you can actually change your name para mailhan na to, no? And also Rowie is here. By the way, if you have friends na inyong invite para sa tonight nga real estate business webinar or career orientation, kindly inform them na open na ang ato ang Zoom room so that actually dili sila malate sa ato ang pag-start. So I'll wait for another few minutes. I'll give you some few updates lang sa no. Anyway, naggapadayon ang ato ang regular na seminar every week, every Tuesday and every Thursday mao na ato ang real estate career orientation. Then every Friday night mao ni siya ang ato ang um, uh, motivation training, no? Every Friday night na siya. Then on Saturday do na po tay high velocity training mo niya to ang mga skills training, no? So I hope na you will be able to catch up and be able to join. And also starting on January 26, we will be starting to air our The Circle, no? It would be every Monday this time and at 8 o'clock, and there's a changes on how we do this. Before it's face to face, but right now we're gonna be doing it via Zoom, no? So that those people that are requesting na wanting to join na naa sa mga lain-laing mga lugar, they will be able to join at this time na kay i-Zoom naman nato. We prefer it to be in Zoom because we want it to be as interactive as it can. Okay? So here na yung mga nadugang nato, sina si Nfinix X5515 is also with us here. Si Ann Ortega, no? Ann Ortega is from Bugo, no? From Bugo City. Yan, okay. And who else is here? Sarah, no? Sarah Subosa is joining with us. I don't know if naa siya sa Talisay or Silay or here in Danau City. Uh, the last the last time I knew is she was in Negros, no? So I don't know, no, if where Sarah is today. But anyway, thank you for joining, Sarah. Okay. Tell your friends that we are already live, no? That we are already in the Zoom room, so that you can, so that they can actually, no, they can join and be able to, uh, and we can be able to share to them the opportunity na naata. Okay. Who else? Who else? Who else is here? And I'll wait for a few minutes lang ha. And Infinix X uh, says good evening. Good evening to you also, Infinix, no? Okay. Sarah is in Silay, no? Sarah is still in Silay City in Negros, no? And by the way, we would like to extend the condolences to Sarah. His father actually had passed away, so just be strong, Sarah, no? The Lord has all the plans, no? By the way, if you have friends right now na may mga recruit, please inform them to join in the Zoom room so that they will be able to understand fully the business. But at the same time, also encourage your team to be here in the Zoom room. There are more learnings. This is not just a career orientation, but at the same time, this is also a learning para sa tuwa tanan. There are new things that we're gonna be sharing tonight. And by the way, katong mga naay mga name na Samsung, Infinix, you can actually change your name, no, para mailan nato. Okay, so let's begin. No, let's begin. Let me begin by a word of prayer. Let's bow down our heads and close our eyes and let's pray. Lord, thank you, oh God, for tonight. Thank you for allowing us to be here. Thank you for giving us a good internet connection. And Lord, I pray that there would be no technical difficulty, no interruption, oh Lord Jesus. And I pray, oh God, that you will give us the knowledge and the wisdom na unta Lord among masabtan, no, among masabtan ang presentation today or tonight. And Father, we pray that it will be able to bring us good things, no, aning orientation or aning seminar. I pray, oh Lord, na whatever things that has been laid tonight, I pray, oh Lord, that this will bring glory to your name. In Jesus' name, amen and amen. Okay, no, so allow me to introduce myself. I will be your host for tonight in tonight's presentation. I am Jofrin Villasencio and I am doing the Zoom live here right now in my residence here in Cordova, no, here in Cordova, Cebu. And hopefully ang kadausan nato tanan na sa ilahang mga tagsa-tagsa ka mga panimalay. And I hope also na nakakaon na pud ang tanan because it's already been past 8 o'clock already. Now, what I am sharing to you tonight is an opportunity that I am into with way back dugay-dugay na gyud kayo since 2000, if I'm not mistaken, 2011. So medyo taod-taod na jud siya kayo and up to today. This is an industry wherein ako siyang nakita na it's still a long way to go. And this is an industry wherein I believe na continues to grow not just din sa ato ang locality diri sa Cebu but also in other parts of the Philippines, no, either in Luzon, Visayas, or in Mindanao. So I am so excited to share this opportunity to you. As much as I am excited aning nga negosyo, and every time I do a presentation, I cannot help but to really feel the excitement. Nga naman, because I have seen a lot of people that lives has been changed tungod ani nga business. And I am so excited that one day your life will gonna be changed also in this business. Our company, as I will introduce it to you, it's D8.18 Premier Properties Incorporated. And most commonly, ang antong shortcut ani is DPPI. So mo na makita ninyo DPPI. Now, D818 was established way back July 29, 2019 in Lapu-Lapu City. Just imagine, right at the onset of pandemic. 6 months lang, pandemic na yun, 2020. Few months later, lockdown. But the good news is this, we have survived the pandemic, which means that this company is really resilient enough. No? Ni survive good siya. What you have seen on the screen are our legal papers. You have the SEC, the BIR registration, the local business permit, and of course, our registration sa DHSUD. This is the governing authority that oversees the real estate industry. Okay? Now, the management team of the company, which actually they are at the same time our support team, no? Which is headed by no less than our managing broker, Mr. Hermenegildo B. Roylo. Commonly, atong tawagan niya dinhi, Sir Boy. No, if you got to hear that name, that refers to this man. He is not just a CPA, but also a real estate broker. Now, together with him is our president and CEO, Franz Villasencio, who handles our digital and online distribution. Partner with Miss Juliet Plania, the vice president, and of course, the chief finance officer, so practically handles our operation in the office. Of course, part of that is the commission releases. Together with the three of them is Miss Van Allen Osaraga, a real estate broker at the same time, who actually handles, or actually she is our business office manager and at the same time our corporate secretary as well. These people are the one at the backbone of this company na mauni nagbuhat na aning tanan for us to make it easy to do the business para kita igo na lang gyud ta mamaligya kay maka-focus ta on the main thing. Now, the 818 is taken from a Bible verse from Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 18, and it says there, and I quote, "You shall remember the Lord your God, for it is God who gives you the ability to get wealth, that he may confirm his covenant that he swore to your fathers as it is this day." Pero atong gi-highlight diha na it is God who gives you the ability to get wealth. Nganong ato man siyang gi-highlight? Yes, there are things that we do personally. Yes, there are skills that we need to develop. But at the end of the day, we believe that it is still God who causes all things to happen, and He is the one who gives those gifts so that we may be able to have the skill for us to be able to do business. So everything of what we're going to have here in this business, we believe here in the 818 that it all comes from the Lord. Okay? Now, the vision of the company is to be the premier realty firm known for innovation, excellence, and empowering people. And in order for us to accomplish this vision, our mission is to honor God by upholding professionalism, building lasting relationship, embracing technology, and empowering people through the various training that we're going to have here in our company. And the core values of the PPI, which this is actually becomes our DNA dinhi sa ato ang kumpanya, na meaning kung makakita ang mga tao sa gawas and if we display these values, makita nila na taga DPPI ni mo niya tong mark, no? Now, the core values is in the acronym DPPI. It stands for discipline, passion, perseverance, and integrity. Now, there is a separate training on this. I just gonna highlight two of these lang. One is discipline. It's very important that discipline is in place because it is here where our character is displayed. The second one, which actually also displays our character, but this one is much more stronger, integrity. This is a make or break thing. Now, a lot of people is so successful in life, but yet, when they lose the integrity, kung dili na siya kasaligan, everything falls. No? So, bagsak yun. No? Mukolapse yun ang mga butang kung maabot sa punto na dili na ta kasaligan. So, since our business involves money, now I would like to really emphasize this too. Now, be very careful. Don't touch the money that doesn't belongs to you. That is a mark of integrity. No, knowing what is yours and what is not yours. Okay? Now, our business, our industry is real estate. Now, in simple definition, real estate refers to the land and those items that are attached to the land. So meaning, katong balay, katong condo, kanang mall, kanang commercial spaces, or even, no, kining mga cemetery, or ang new name ana karon kay Memorial Gardens man, they are actually part of the real estate. But that is not the business. That is the commodity, no? Real estate is the commodity that we're going to be doing business with. So the question right now is why being a real estate agentpreneur is a good business. Ikaw o ako are labeled here as an agentpreneur. No, we are not just an agent, but we are an agent plus an entrepreneur. Okay? So, why na maayo siya nga negosyo kung ikaw o ako mahimo tang usa ka agentpreneur? Number one, it is low to zero capital. And aside from that, it gives you high return potential. So minimal lang imong investment din dagko imong earnings. Nganong minimal man ang investment? Technically wala man kay pagawas nga kwarta but kanang imuhang mga pliti-pliti, mga ginagmay na mga pang snacks-snacks imong kugalingon iniglakaw, those actually form parts of the capital. Second reason is time freedom and flexibility. You will be your own boss. This business can be managed right at the comfort of your home, just like me right now. I am at the comfort of my own room. So this is what you see in the background is our own home. You can do business here. You can do all the transaction in wherever you are, as long as you just have the internet connection. And of course, because you are your own boss, you can set your own schedule. So you can manage it very well. The third one is unlimited growth and expansion. Here, being a real estate agentpreneur, you can establish a business that will be operating Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Dili lang negosyo na kung naa ka diha sa Cebu, diha ra gyud. Ang atong business can be operated Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So you can scale it, you can expand it. And lastly, the reason why I love it, it's because it's a purpose-driven. Now, it's purpose-driven. What we do here change lives. We make a difference to every individual person. In here, in a world that is filled with so much negativity, for you to hear positivity, that's gold. That's a gold thing. And in here, you are given the chance to impact to whoever you are in contact with. No? So, purpose-driven ang ato ang opportunity. Okay? Now, last June 29, 2009, our government was able to see something in this industry. So they come up with a Republic Act 9646. This is actually known as the Real Estate Service Acts of the Philippines, in which the objective is to regulate ani nga industry. Because kani adto daghan pod ang quote unquote mas scam. Makapalit og yuta, nakadaghan na nabaligya, and it's so frustrating and hurting na ang mga tao will succumb to these things. Now, in fact, it's been their hard-earned money. So, nakita na sa government, and the government wanted to address that. The other one is nakakita sad sila sa mga situation na daghan po taon kaayo na mga nanginabuhi, try to sell those properties, but at the end of the day, di sad sila mahatagan og commission. It was so painful because nanginabuhi naman ang tao. So, in order to address that, the government enacted kini nga balaod. The purpose is to regulate the industry by professional regulatory board, creating it to become a profession, no? So karon, if you wanted to really engage in the industry, first you need to study to become a real estate broker. Okay? And that's a 4-year management course. You take the board exam. If you pass, then you're a license. But again, kita karon na naminaw din probably will be asking to yourself, then unsaon man ni Joff na wa man ko ka eskwela. And I don't think I still have the time to go back to school considering I am already of age. Unya, nanapo ko yung mga anak. No? Di ba? Mama na ang common. The good news is that in this law, do not say provision. In Section 32 of the Republic Act 9646, this is known as the corporate practice of the real estate service, in which dunay criteria that is set by the government here. Number one, you can form a company that is duly registered in the Securities and Exchange Commission. Again, I'll emphasize this, not DTI, SEC. The second requirement is that in that corporation, there is a registered real estate broker in that corporation that allows that corporation to engage in a real estate services, making that corporation serves as an agency. So meaning, there is an agency, and commonly we call that firm. Kini actually nga provisions open the opportunity for other people to create realty firms. So right now, there is a firm, and we will be working under the firm, under the agency. The licenses that we're going to be using the moment we're going to transact business to the developers, we're going to be using the licenses of the corporation. So everything is about the corporation. We are simply placed as a liaison to this transaction. So therefore, you and I can still do the business. Okay? So This is the provision that causes DPPI to create this agency and now operating Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Okay? Now, how big is the Philippine real estate industry? Now, I was amazed, no? In in 2024, it was only 570 billion. Again, ha? In 2024, it was only 570 billion peso industry. And of course, that's understandable because we just came from the 2-year pandemic and the industry is trying to recover. And 2025 was the recovery year. At the end of 2025, imagine it is already a 5.6 trillion pesos industry or 94.4 something US dollars. My point here is this. Kung magsugod man lang ka og negosyo, definitely di ka magsugod og negosyo na palubog. Magsugod kag usa ka negosyo na pataas. Nagkadako og nagkadako ang oportunidad sa real estate. Meaning, imagine this, makakuha lang ka og porsyon anang 5.6 trillion. Well, you will be a billionaire. If not a billionaire, at least a millionaire. So tanawa, unsa kadako ang industry and don't limit yourself kung asa kadapita karon because the industry is so big. Imagine 5.6 trillion pesos all over the Philippines. And the growth area that speaks for this 5.6 trillion is in the Visayas and in Mindanao. So if there are people from Mindanao here, well, this is the time that you're gonna be really working it out hard. Diba? And of course, for you, the people here in the Visayas, if you have friends in the Mindanao area, start getting them. Start sharing them this opportunity. Kay naa dinhi ang gold mine. Okay? Now, the question right now is, sige Joff, if that industry is really that big, now how am I going to start my own business? But before that, before ko mo go diha, I would like to ask a question. Personal ni siya nga question akong i-ask sa inyo ha. But I also wanted you to answer it. Number one, just only one question di ay. Now, nganong ang tao mahadlok man magnegosyo ani? Unsa man ang rason? Can you share it in the chat box? Diha sa Zoom chat box nato. Unsa may reason na nganong mahadlok mo share or mahadlok mo sugod or mo join ang tao ani nga business? Unsa man iyang gikahadlukan? Can you share? Hello? Or nakatulog na siguro? Would you like to share? Nganong mahadlok ang tao mosulod aning negosyo ha? Or nganong ang tao mahadlok magnegosyo? Ana na lang, bisag dili kini. Nganong ang tao mahadlok magnegosyo? Ana na lang. Let's make it general. Nganong ang tao mahadlok magnegosyo? Can you share it in the chat box, in the Zoom box, Zoom chat box? Yan, si Connie May. Hadlok di kahalin na kay worth millions manggod. Okay. Ito sa tagsaon ni Ron. Malugi, sir, maunhan sa negative thoughts kaysa possibilities. Ito di kay basin di makahalin kay mahal man ang property. Ako nang tubagon tanan. Kisa pa, okay, put in your questions. Ilabay na inyo ang mga question din kay atong tubagon tagsa-tagsa. Okay, I believe every question has its reason ng anong mauna. Okay? So I start with Connie. Hadlok di makahalin kay worth millions manggod. Okay. Now, number one, I'm gonna say this to you. Ang imong pagmamaligya, nganong nahadlok ka, kay gibasi nimo nga ikaw mismo di ka kapalit. Mao nang nahadlok ka. Pero I want you to understand, and I want you to remember it well, na ang butang na imong gibaligya, dili ikaw ang mobayad. Hello? Nahadlo ka na di ka kahalin kay ang imong gihuna-huna, ikaw gibase nimo imong pagpamaligya ba? Gibase nimo ang imong pagpamaligya na ikaw ang imong gibasihan kay di ka kapalit, mo nang nagtuo ka na di ka kahalin. Pero timan-i dili ikaw ang mubayad. That's the first. So meaning, don't worry about the cost because dili man ikaw mubayad. Number two, ang tao na dili makahalin katulad yung wala mamaligya. Hello? Ang tao na dili makahalin katulad yung wala mamaligya. So kung wala ka kahalin, wala ka mamaligya. Period, no? So kung wala man gani ka kahalin, bisag na maligya ka, siguro ang imong pagpamaligya palabtik-labtik lang. Mamaligya karon, dili na pod. Mamaligya na sad, dili na sad. So dili consistent o dili bitaw porsigido. So meaning wala nimo matagai og concentration. Pero kung imong gikonsentritan, mao ang imong gitrabaho, mao imong gitutukan, makahalin gyud ka. Again, ang ako radyong experience sa kadugay nako aning negosyoha, ang di ra jud makahalin katong dili mamaligya. Ikatulong rason, doon natay daghang pamaagi sa pagpamaligya. Gani ang karon, dili na ingon anak kalisod kay dili naman ni face to face. Doon na naman tay mga online na mga pamaagi. So kung wala ka kahalin, wala ka mosulod ngadto sa online. O kung nisulod man gani ka sa online, imo lang giusikan ang imong oras sa sigig scroll dito kaysa mamaligya dito. So unsa may buhaton para makabaligya? Make yourself visible at all times. So post ng post. Mao ra jud imong sekreto. Okay? So for Connie, I think check na ni. Dili na problema. Okay? Kay Sheila, malugi sir. Maunhan sa negative thoughts kaysa possibilities. Question, malugi ka kung doon na kay kwartang gibutang. In the case of real estate, wala man kay kwartang gibutang, so asa man kadapita malugi? So X na, di ba? Malugi ra ang tao kung doon ay kwarta nga gibutang, pero wala kay kwarta nga gibutang, so definitely di jud ka malugi. Tama? Or perting tamaa? Perting saktuha? Okay? Kay Teody, kay bas hindi makahalin kay mahal man, ako na ning answer. Di man ikaw mo bayad, no? Ang di kahalin katong di mamaligya, pero kung namaligya ka, makahalin ra gyud ka. Si Sheila, no? Sheila Sanchez. Sa real estate, sir, kay hadlo kay millions manggod. Mahadlo ka kung ikaw mo bayad. Kung dili ikaw mo bayad, sila man. So I don't think na kay ang ikahadlo kay igo ra man ka na maligya. Ikaduha, ang atong bagmaligya sa real estate, utang. Utang. O karon pangutan-on ako tamo. Answer me yes or no. Mutuo ba mo dinhi na naay baligya nga balay nga 2.5 per month? Mutuo mo dili? Kung mutuo ka na naay balay na 2.5 per month, then the next question is, nakikailan na naay 2.5 per month? Wala. Oh. So namoy kailan na naay 2.5 per month? House and lot na. 2 bedrooms. 2-story. Oh. So kung nakikailan nga naay 2.5, di makahalin ka. Oh, di ba? O karon, question. Kabalo mo na naay kondo sa IT Park na tag 6,000 per month. 6 to 7,000 per month. IT Park, ha? 6 to 7,000 a month. So kung nituo ka na naay kondo na 6 to 7,000 per month diha sa IT Park, nakaroon ang pangutana, doon na ba kay kailan na naay 6 to 7,000 per month? Utang. Oh. So karon asa man ang problema sa pagpamaligya? Asa man diha ang kahadlok sa milyones? Na di man ka mangita og tao na nagbitbit og 1 million, 2 million. Di ba? So in short, kana tanan na imuhang huna-huna diha, layo ra sa kamatuoran. It doesn't exist. Okay? So, meaning, In the case of I believe kamo tanan kada usa ninyo can start this business right away. So how to start your own business? Dire sa real estate, simple kayo. Just make yourself available. Kung gusto ka makasugod aning negosyo ha, just make yourself available. So sa man akong buhaton, Joff, kining upat ka butang na nakita ninyo sa screen, pwede ninyo na i-screenshot. Muatin kag PKS. Unsa man ning PKS? Project Knowledge Seminar. Nganong mo-attend man kag PKS para doon na kay idea. Mao nang ni-attend kag PKS, sa paimong pag-attend ng PKS, nakahibalo ka na doon na day balay na 2.5 per month. Sa imong pag-attend og PKS, nahibalo ka na doon na day condominium sa IT Park na tag 6 to 7,000 a month. Pero kung wala ka mo attend, mahibalo ka, dili. Dili. So, unsay buhaton? Make yourself available. Number 2, site tour. Now, analyze this. Makabaligya ka sa usa ka butang na ikaw mismo wala ka kakita? O dili. So, kung gusto ka makahalin, then tanawa ang location. So, ang imong buhaton, mukuyog ka og site tour. Ayaw na paagda. Imuha man ning negosyo. Dili man ni negosyo ni Pedro, ni Juan ug ni Tampolano. This is your business. And if there's anybody that will make your business successful, that's you. Next is training. Daghan kay tag-training dire online and offline, napay training gikan sa developer. The only thing that you're going to do is you make yourself available. Last week natay training. Ugma natay training. Ini ka Sabado natay training. Pero asa ka? Oh, absent. So saan na to pagkaton? How can I help you if you yourself will not make yourself available? And the last one is events. Event will make you understand more na ingon anin di kanindot ang industry. And the more you attend events, the more you get that motivation. So my challenge is very simple. Comply the 4. Comply that 4 requirements, and I tell you and I promise you, it will give you the result that you are looking for. The reason why I've seen a lot of people that are successful here in our industry, it's because they make sure that they accomplish these 4 things. That is non-negotiable. Okay? So, the question now is, what would you do? Di ba? Unsa man akong buhaton, Job? Sige, Job. Ganahan na kay ko magnegosyo. Pero unsa man akong buhaton, Job? Very simple. Let's begin with selling. Alangan mo, may negosyo na way baligya. So, let's begin with selling. Now, in selling, as a real estate agentpreneur, you are given the chance to earn a minimum of 25,000 pesos to millions to unlimited. Imagine na, sa imong pagpamaligya, you are given the chance to earn a minimum, pinakagamay, 25,000 to millions to unlimited by directly selling project properties. Now, ang imong rate din natay note diya sa imong screen, rate varies depending on your possession. It starts at 2.5% to 4%. So meaning, kung nakahalin kag 1 million on the minimum, nakay 25,000 man ang minimum. So nakahalin kag 2 million, 50,000. Nakahalin kag 3 million, 75,000. Nakahalin kag 4 million, 100,000. And so on and so forth to unlimited. Imagine. How much more kung mahimo ng 4%? So that's the first. That's the first thing you do when you sell properties. And to share to you, these are the top 4 online channels used in the real estate selling. Now, number 1 ani nila is Facebook or Meta. So ikaw ba doon na kay Facebook or wala? So kung na kay Facebook, then you are in the business already. The second top online channel that is used by real estate people is YouTube and of course Facebook Live. This is for video marketing. Mo nang daghan na kay karon na mga real estate agent trying to face on the camera to make some video. But we have trainings for that. The third one is property listing portals. Kining mga lamudi.property and so on and so forth, and you will be introduced to this. Online ni tanan. And the fourth, no? The fourth is TikTok and Instagram. And I believe everyone is already in TikTok, and probably not everyone is in Instagram, but you can always create Instagram. So these are the top 4 online channel used in the real estate selling. So unsa pa man imuhang problemahan sa pagpamaligya? You just have to be in this platform. Tama? Di ba? So in selling, that is no longer a problem. Ang kabalo kaon sa lay problema, kay we are so comfortable to where we are that we no longer do these things. No? And we reason ourselves that we are busy. Okay? The next thing that you're going to do here is you're gonna build your best team. You're gonna build a team. So dili kay ikaw lang, but you're going to build a team. Now, how are you going to build a team? There are 4 effective ways to build your real estate agentpreneur power team. 4 ways. Okay? Number 1, attract like-minded individuals with a clear vision. Katong mga taong walay mga pangandoy, pasag dito. They are not here for the business. So the person that has the same mindset as you, that is the person that you need to invite for the business. Share, communicate your vision, communicate your passion, your desire. The second effective ways is leverage digital platforms for team recruitment. Kato katong gi-istorya for online channel, Facebook or Meta, YouTube, okay? Property listing platform, although you cannot do recruitment there, but with TikTok and Instagram. So you make use. Now the question here, sige kag reklamo na wala kay na-recruit pero wala po kay post-post. Wala kay invite-invite. Ug na kay masugatan dito sa gawas, dili na ka mo istorya. Now, ang number 4 ways, build relationship, not just transaction. Network with your possible prospects. So if you're gonna do these 4 things, promise you will be able to build a team. So what's the reward? What's the reward if you are going to build a team? Now, this is the reward. As you climb the ladder of success in DPPI, you get to enjoy this potential income as you build. Your team, as it goes bigger and bigger, one day you will become a supervisor. Guess what? Pag na-supervisor ka, you will earn a potential income of 75,000 pesos. Now the question, kung mo earn kag 75,000, will you be happy or not? Mag-uol ka? Then as you climb, when you become a manager, your potential income will now be at 235,000 pesos. And the highest rank here in DPPI is becoming a sales consultant. And when you become one, your potential income every month is 500,000 pesos. Every month. When we talk about the leverage income, this is on a monthly basis. Don't you worry, we have a separate training to the details of this marketing plan. But this is just what I want you to know. That as you climb, as you build your organization, as you make your team bigger and bigger, as you invite your people every time na naatay seminar, you're starting to build your long-term income. Okay? So, right now, the decision lies in your hand. You know your situation better than I do. But just remember this. Success is just a decision away. Kung imo ni siyang palabyon, well, it's okay. It's never my loss. But I want you to understand that opportunity passes by, but only once. So you just have to wait again in order for the next opportunity to pass by. O what if wala na another opportunity that will pass you by? Okay? So, if you can slip it over, and if ever you are decided, you can just ask the link, the affiliate link, to the person na nag-invite nimo so that you can fill it up. The only requirement is just one valid ID. Then you can start, after filling it up online, you can start doing the business. You can start selling and you can start recruiting people into the business. Then after filling it up, you ask your consultant to process your ID, no? You need to have an ID because it is important, especially that we are online. Na dili jud na siya kalikayan that there will be people that will be asking if we are legitimate or not. So we don't get offended with that question because that's normal, but we want you to prepare, get the ID, get it ASAP. Okay? And in order for you to be always updated within the loop of our company, please have a screenshot. Then after ani nga webinar, kindly like and follow this page so that you will be updated for whatever announcement there is. We always go to this page in order to put our announcement. So please, no, be be a follower in this page para you will be updated. Okay? So actually I'm done with my presentation and I'm gonna open the floor for any possible questions that you wanted to ask so that I can answer it right away. Okay? So, question. There are 18 of us here. Any question? Is there anybody that is new here? New that, I mean, you are invited for the very first time and you are here for the very first time in the Zoom room. Is there anybody, first timer here? Any questions? Violent reaction? Hello? Kamingaw sa payagoy? Kung mahadlok mo question, just type the question here sa chat box so that we will just answer it. Okay. So wala na kunoy mga question. Sige. No? Anyway, thank you very much. Ako na ni idaw no para makita na to ato ang mga usag-usa. Anyway, thank you very much for joining with us today. It's been a pleasure to host this seminar or this webinar to you, and hope to see you on Tuesday. No, kini lang no, desire for it. Desire for it na at least on Tuesday, na kay madala nga at least one person that would be interested to do the business. Kay sayang kayo ang opportunity. The opportunity is so big. And I hope, no, I hope for everyone, no, for everyone, na you will be able to see and look the opportunity the way I look at it. 2011 when I met this industry, and up to today I'm still here. There's a lot of things happen in this industry, but the only thing that I have observed, it's it's an ever increasing industry. Sigig pasaka. Okay? So I don't want to hold you long because tomorrow napay mga trabaho ang uban. So thank you very much for joining. And by the way, tomorrow at 8 o'clock, there is a training. No? The link is the same because we have an official link, a standard link. So you might want to inform all of your teams to be able to join. Okay? Gerald, there's a question. Sir, pila ka days usa mahuman ang orientation? Actually, karon nahuman na ang orientation, Gerald. Karon nahuman na ang orientation. This is the orientation. Ang imong nakita karon, ang imong nadungog karon, this is the orientation already. And if you decided to join, you fill up the form, then your upline will help you and guide you all throughout the walkthrough in this business. But you know what? The learning will just simply come along the way as you keep on doing it. I mean, a lot of people naa sa ilang mindset is kinahanglan katunon sa nako daan usa ko magsugod. No. Here, it doesn't work that way. This is an OJT concept. So the moment you start filling it up, start doing it, start posting, ask your upline. And if there are training available along the way every week, then join. Or every almost every day in a week there is a training, no? So you just have to hook up in the Zoom. Okay? Any more question? Okay. So kung wala na, thank you very much and God bless you all. Bye!